How to add time zones in Microsoft Outlook Calendar. Microsoft Outlook Calendar allows to display multiple time zones. In order to add a new one, go to the calendar by clicking on the calendar icon. Make sure the calendar view you are using shows time, for example week or work week.
Right-click on the time pane and choose Change Time Zone.
In the Time Zone section, check the box to display second or third time zone. You can name it in the Label field. Choose the time zone you want to add to your calendar. Click OK to save the changes.
The new time zone will be displayed in the time pane next to your calendar.
Thanks for watching. Leave a thumbs up if this guide helped you. Subscribe for more similar videos.